Welcome back. Today we are looking at the Bosch 006-19985 Genuine OEM Mounting Bracket Metal Bosch Benchmark Dishwasher Premium Review. Bosch Benchmark dishwasher premium owners know that every component inside their appliance matters, including the hardware that secures the dishwasher safely into place. The Bosch 006-19985 Genuine OEM Mounting Bracket is designed to provide dependable support and stability for Bosch dishwashers, especially premium benchmark series models where proper installation is essential for long-term performance. Check the video description for the updated price link. This genuine OEM mounting bracket is manufactured to Bosch standards and crafted from durable metal materials. Unlike generic alternatives, it is engineered for exact compatibility with Bosch dishwashers, ensuring secure installation, improved safety, and peace of mind. Whether you are replacing worn-out brackets or installing a new dishwasher, this component helps maintain proper alignment while preventing unnecessary movement during operation. Many homeowners prefer genuine Bosch replacement parts because they preserve the appliance's original design integrity. The Bosch 006-19985 bracket does exactly that by providing factory-level quality and precision that perfectly complements the premium construction of Bosch Benchmark dishwashers. The Bosch 006-19985 is an authentic OEM replacement part designed specifically for Bosch dishwashers. This ensures proper dimensions, exact fitting, and dependable performance that generic parts may fail to deliver. Constructed from durable metal, this mounting bracket offers excellent resistance to bending, corrosion, and everyday wear. The robust material guarantees long-lasting support throughout years of dishwasher use. The primary function of this bracket is to hold the dishwasher securely in place. Proper mounting reduces movement, vibrations, and installation issues while improving overall safety. Because it is manufactured by Bosch, the bracket aligns perfectly with the designated mounting points, making installation straightforward and reliable. This mounting bracket is highly suitable for Bosch Benchmark dishwasher premium models where precision installation is essential for preserving the appliance's advanced functionality and elegant design. Many homeowners consider aftermarket alternatives to save money, but genuine OEM components often provide superior value in the long run. The Bosch 006-19985 mounting bracket is designed according to the original engineering specifications of Bosch dishwashers. Better durability than many third-party options. Investing in genuine replacement parts is similar to choosing premium kitchen equipment that is specifically designed for its intended purpose. If you enjoy quality kitchen appliances, you may also find this 9-in-1 pressure cooker and air fryer guide useful for upgrading your cooking experience. Performance may not be the first word people associate with a mounting bracket, but proper installation hardware plays an important role in how a dishwasher performs over time. The Bosch 006-19985 mounting bracket excels in maintaining dishwasher stability. Once installed correctly, it minimizes movement that can occur during wash cycles and heavy loading. This stability contributes to quieter operation and helps maintain the alignment of the dishwasher within cabinetry. The metal construction resists fatigue and deformation, even after years of use. This durability is particularly valuable in kitchens where dishwashers operate daily and experience constant opening, closing, and loading stress. Because Bosch engineers the bracket specifically for their appliances, homeowners benefit from a component that fits precisely without modification or guesswork. Installing the Bosch 006-19985 Genuine OEM Mounting Bracket is generally straightforward for users familiar with appliance maintenance. Since the bracket is designed according to Bosch specifications, the mounting holes align accurately with compatible dishwasher models. Check the link in the description to get yours today.